The top 10 most incredible sky phenomena in the world. Have you ever seen them? If you look up at the sky on a clear night, you might witness something truly magical. A glowing spiral gradually fading into the darkness, a row of meteors slowly streaking across the sky, or even strange occurrences so baffling that even scientists struggle to explain them. Some of these phenomena have been captured on camera by lucky observers, yet even today, science still can't fully explain them. Hello, I'm V. Today, let's take a look at these incredible sky phenomena together. Number 10. Cloud creatures. During the COVID-19 lockdown in 2021, someone happened to glance out their window and noticed something eerie lurking in the clouds. Curious, they decided to live stream the event on Facebook on March 15th, inviting a global audience to witness what was hiding in the sky. The unusual broadcast attracted over 75,000 viewers, and during those few hours, they all saw something unforgettable. A humanoid figure floating within the thick clouds. Its eyes glowed intensely, at times even making direct eye contact with the camera, creating an incredibly eerie scene. However, as the mystery gained traction online, some keen-eyed viewers discovered the truth. It wasn't a real sky phenomenon at all, but an elaborate hoax. The footage was actually a 2018 visual effects project, created by world-class designer McClellan, which had never been publicly released. Someone had repurposed it to stage the viral spectacle. Number 9. The Starlight Train. In May 2021, an unusual celestial event was observed over Washington, where a row of strange stars appeared in the night sky, lined up perfectly like a moving train. A few months earlier, people in the UK had witnessed the exact same phenomenon. Speculation grew. Could it be an unknown alien civilization approaching Earth? In reality, these mysterious light trails were actually satellites operated by SpaceX. These satellites are part of a network, providing internet access to much of the world. As of January 2022, SpaceX had launched over 1,900 similar satellites into orbit, like a train moving across the Earth's surface. They continuously circle the planet, and when Earth rotates to certain angles, they catch the light from the horizon, shining like stars in the night sky. Number 8. The Spiral Light Vortex. On the morning of December 9th, 2009 at 6:46 a.m., the skies over Norway were illuminated by a massive, rotating spiral of light. The vortex kept expanding, growing larger and more terrifying, trailing behind it an enormous, eerie blue tail. Witnesses from various locations captured the scene with their cameras, and news outlets worldwide reported on this bizarre celestial event. Some even speculated that it might be an experiment involving weaponized climate control. However, the mystery was soon unraveled. The next day, Russia's Ministry of Defense issued a statement, confirming that the phenomenon was actually caused by a failed missile test. A Bulava ballistic missile had been launched from a nearby submarine, but malfunctioned in its third-stage engine nozzle, caused exhaust gases to be expelled irregularly. As a result, the missile spiraled uncontrollably, creating the dazzling yet eerie spectacle in the sky. Number 7. The Black Hole. In 2019, the world witnessed the first-ever photograph of a black hole, one of the most mysterious objects in the universe. A black hole's gravitational pull is so intense that even light, traveling at 186,000 miles per second, cannot escape its grasp. Although scholars had long theorized about black holes, truly understanding their nature remained a significant challenge. Then, in 2015, a series of eerie images and videos began circulating online. One particular image showed a black hole ominously looming over a small town in Russia. Strangely, the sun in the image appeared distorted, resembling a giant donut, as if it were on the verge of destruction. But don't panic. The terrifying image was later confirmed to be a simulation. NASA's Locksmith Space Agency had used real black hole data to generate an artistic depiction of what a black hole might look like if it appeared over Earth. The simulated black hole was estimated to be 6.5 times the mass of the sun, yet had a diameter of only 45 miles, roughly the size of a small city. Due to its immense gravitational pull, its weight exceeded 1.32 billion tons. According to the image's perspective, the black hole was shown to be less than 500,000 miles from Earth, just twice the distance between the Earth and the Moon. At such a range, scientists estimate that a black hole of this magnitude could destroy the entire planet in just a matter of minutes. Number 6. The massive cloud mountains. These clouds appear strikingly white and fluffy, but unlike ordinary clouds, they form into gigantic, tubular structures, resembling enormous morning glory flowers in the sky. Some of these morning glory clouds can stretch from one end of the horizon to the other, with recorded formations reaching over 620 miles in length and standing more than a mile high. Amazingly, they can move at speeds of up to 65 feet per second, rolling through the sky with incredible momentum. To this day, scientists still struggle to fully explain the formation of these fast-moving, tube-shaped clouds. One prevailing theory suggests that humidity and temperature play key roles in their creation, since these cloud formations mostly occur over coastal regions, where the air is significantly more humid than inland areas. Scientists believe they may form when warm, moisture-laden air collides with the cooler stratosphere. As the water vapor in the clouds rapidly cools and condenses, it forms tiny ice crystals that fall downward with the air currents, only to be lifted up again by rising warm air. This continuous cycle of condensation and uplift, layer upon layer, may be responsible for the breathtaking sight of these rolling cloud mountains in the sky. Number 5. Ocean waves in the clouds. From an airplane window, clouds often appear as a vast, soft, and fluffy carpet stretching across the sky. But in this incredible video, the cloud formations look more like an upside-down ocean, with massive, rolling waves crashing and tumbling, just like a stormy sea. This footage was captured in 2015, when dark storm clouds engulfed the city of Augusta, Georgia. Such mesmerizing cloud formations are rarely seen in everyday life. It wasn't until 2017 that the World Meteorological Organization officially named this unique cloud phenomenon asperitas clouds, adding it to the International Cloud Atlas, the first new cloud type to be recognized in over 60 years. These clouds typically form at lower altitudes, where unusual atmospheric pressure conditions cause them to develop their dramatic, wave-like appearance. Some scientists speculate that this phenomenon could be a natural warning sign from Earth, a response to the ongoing effects of global warming. Number 4. Red lightning. A few years ago, an image of a fiery red storm went viral across the internet. Some extreme theorists speculated that it might be a red thunderstorm comparable to a massive explosion once rumored to have occurred in Tokyo. But in reality, this was not an explosion at all. Although it appeared to be a thunderstorm raging on the ground, the image actually captured a volcanic crater from above. The so-called red lightning in the picture was generated by the rising heat currents produced during a volcanic eruption. When a volcano erupts with immense force, it interacts with the clouds above in a spectacular way. As volcanic ash particles collide rapidly in the air, they generate an enormous electrostatic charge, which results in stunning volcanic lightning. This eerie, fiery display is also known as dirty lightning, as it is primarily caused by the massive amount of ash in the atmosphere. Number 3. The colorful sky. When light passes through water droplets, it refracts, breaking sunlight into different wavelengths of visible light, a process that creates a rainbow in the sky. However, the phenomenon we're sharing today is not just an ordinary rainbow. Instead of an arc, this spectacle transforms the entire sky into a canvas of vibrant colors. Scientifically, this is known as the circumhorizon arc phenomenon, a member of the halo family. Halos occur when sunlight passes through ice crystals in the atmosphere, forming dazzling rings and arcs in the sky. As hexagonal ice crystals descend through the atmosphere, sunlight enters the upper surface of these crystals and refracts inside the cirrus clouds. Due to varying cloud densities, the refracted light disperses into different visible color spectrums, creating the surreal, colorful sky effect. These massive arcs can stretch across the sky, making it appear as if a giant rainbow has been projected onto the heavens. Number 2. Red sprites. Watching a lightning storm from a distance can be terrifying. Bolts of electricity pierce through the clouds and sky, releasing deadly currents with each strike. But in this video, something strange appears in the clouds. Mysterious red streaks of light. This rare phenomenon was captured by NASA in 2015. when a satellite in space recorded a breathtaking sight, a massive red lightning storm moving slowly across the sky. This eerie form of lightning is known as red sprites. They typically form at the same altitude as thunderstorm clouds, approximately 150,000 feet, 45 kilometers, above the ground. The largest recorded red sprite stretched an astonishing 30 miles, 48 kilometers, long. Through scientific research, experts discover that red sprites are usually triggered by powerful positive lightning, originating near the Earth's surface. Within storm clouds, positive and negative charges are constantly shifting, but positive charges make up less than 5% of total lightning activity. Despite their rarity, these powerful discharges can break apart molecules in the atmosphere, turning them into charged ions. When these ions collide with other air molecules, they emit the striking red glow known as red sprites. Number 1. The gathering of monsters. The internet is flooded with viral images of mysterious creatures in the sky. Some show giant shadowy figures. Others depict terrifying highway guardians, or bizarre beings with elongated limbs and twisted forms. Conspiracy theorists even claim that extraterrestrial monsters are gathering on Earth for some unknown purpose. But don't panic. These eerie images are not real. They are actually the work of Trevor Henderson, a renowned Canadian horror artist. Henderson has created a variety of unsettling creatures, including Siren Head and Cartoon Cat, which have taken the internet by storm. So rest assured, all those giant sky monsters you've seen online, they're nothing more than his creepy yet brilliant artwork. And that wraps up our list of 10 incredible sky phenomena. After seeing all these mind-blowing events, do you feel like you've been fooled by the internet? Or have some of your long-held questions finally been answered? Or perhaps you know of even more mysterious sky phenomena that we didn't mention? If so, let us know in the comments below.